एवरीवन, हमारा आज का टॉपिक है डेक्कन स्कूल। तो आज मैं आपको इसके ओरिजिन और डेवलपमेंट के बारे में बताऊंगी। द ओरिजिन एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ डेक्कन स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट हैज़ लेफ्ट अ स्पेशल लैंडमार्क इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ आर्ट। The Deccan School of Miniature Painting had its beginning in 1560 AD, when Mughal school had its existence. The Deccan school was already in existence when the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb threw out the Mughal artist from Mughal Empire. जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि जो लास्ट किंग था औरंगजेब, उसके टाइम में he threw the Mughal artist from Mughal Empire. Several artists migrate to Deccan and sought patronage there. जैसे कि आर्टिस्ट थे, कुछ एक पहाड़ों में जाके और कुछ एक ने डेक्कन स्कूल की इन्वेंशन की थी। फाइन, several artists migrated to Deccan and sought patronage there. The Mughal influence entered Deccan. The early center of painting in Deccan were Ahmednagar, Bijapur and Golconda. In the beginning, the Mughal style started developing in Deccan, but later in the 17th and 18th century, Mughal influence on Deccani painting increased a lot. Clear? So the Deccani painting developed and flourished in Ahmednagar, Bijapur and Golconda, and also in other centers of Deccan like Hyderabad and Tanjore. तो जो इसके अर्ली सेंटर्स हैं वो अहमदनगर, बीजापुर एंड गोलकुंडा है, लेकिन बाद में इसकी डेवलपमेंट कहाँ हुई? हैदराबाद एंड तंजोर। फाइन। डेक्कन स्कूल में टॉल एंड सिलेंड्रिकल फिगर्स को फेयर कॉम्प्लेक्शन के साथ दिखाया गया था। The lines of Deccani paintings are thin, rhythmic and very fine. Colors used in these paintings are also brilliant, appealing and rhythmic. Bright colors का यहाँ use किया गया था। Fine. These paintings were liked also due to some of their special characteristics, which are the bold drawing and shading technique, the golden color used largely in the painting, where architecture, jewelry, costume, utensil, etc. are shown, and subject matter is always justified. So you can write the compositional arrangement of the Deccani painting is always well balanced. A fine example of proper symmetrical arranged composition can be seen in the Deccani paintings. You can write some examples also. So our first example is Ragini Pathamshika. The compositional arrangement of this painting is very appealing. Three female figures have arranged very beautiful in the red color foreground. In this painting, all the pillars and minarets or tombs have been arranged symmetrically. At the top of the painting, an inscription has been mentioned all over. So the whole composition is well composed and well balanced. Our other example is Chand Bibi playing polo. In this painting, Chand Bibi playing polo is shown with her companions. All are sitting on the horses. The background has a landscape including hut, tree, rocks, etc. And the foreground consists of silvery grey lotus lake in which aquatic birds are shown. Green, yellow, brown and blue colors are used. Being a miniature painting, it appears as a big painting. Clear? Or you can write other example also. Its name is Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia and Amir Khusro. This Hyderabad miniature painting painted in tempera technique is well composed vertically and almost formally shows the appropriate color harmony. So the whole composition composed and well balanced. Clear, student? So students, you can write about its features also. So our first feature is Mughal influence. In the later phase of Deccani style, Mughal influence was its peak. Mughal influence was due to migration of several Mughal painters to the Deccan during downfall of Mughal school of painting. अब मुगल स्कूल से ही जो आर्टिस्ट थे वो माइग्रेट हुए थे डेक्कन स्कूल में, इसीलिए वहाँ पे जो मुगल इन्फ्लुएंस देखने को मिलता है, लाइक पर्शियन इन्फ्लुएंस देखने को मिलता है। फाइन। सो आवर नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज बोल्ड ड्राइंग एंड शेडिंग टेक्निक. बोल्ड ड्राइंग्स एंड शेडिंग टेक्निक्स एंड यूज ऑफ रिच, प्योर एंड ब्रिलियंट कलर फ्लोरिस्ड एट तंजोर. Balance and symmetry. The Deccan painting depicts the quality of balance and symmetry to a great extent. Here, next point is perspective. No proper perspective is depicted in Deccan painting. In a painting Chand Bibi playing polo from Golconda, sub-schools perspectives has been tried to be depicted. This painting, being a miniature, appeared to be a mural. Persian influence. अगर अब हम पर्शियन इन्फ्लुएंस की बात करें, हाई हॉरिजॉन लेविश यूज ऑफ गोल्डन कलर, द लैंडस्केप, गोल्डन स्काई, सम फ्लोरिंग प्लांट्स, and arabesques on the top of the throne. All have Persian influence on them. Color scheme कैसी थी? Brilliant and beautiful color have been used in Deccan paintings. They are different from the colors of northern painting style. Golden color has been used largely in the painting where architecture is shown and also in the costume, jewelry, utensils, etc. Decorative paintings. Deccan painting were mostly decorative, especially Hyderabad paintings like the flower beds. Flower bed is a common feature of Hyderabad's school. Fine. Costumes, rich and brilliant color, facial features, etc. These are the main feature of Deccan School of Miniature Painting. Clear? I hope you understood well. If you have any doubts, then ask in the comment section. Till then, take care and bye.